In this video, we will look at the most common configurations of road surfacing. A first coat seal is usually the first application of seal on a base course surface. It provides waterproofing for the pavement and a surface for the traffic to run on. In most roads in New Zealand, the first coat seal is a 180-200 grade cutback bitumen with grade 3 or 4 size chip embedded in it. 180-200 grade bitumen is a relatively soft bitumen and is most commonly used bitumen in New Zealand. We will look at the bitumen and chip specifications in a later video. The first coat seal provides adhesion to the base course. This is the part of the surfacing that binds with the base course and transfers the traffic loads to the base course. Therefore, it has to have a very strong connection with the base course layer. To do this, the binder needs to soak into the upper part of the base course as shown by the light blue section in the diagram above. So the binder becomes part of both the base course and the surfacing. This is achieved by having a high proportion of cutter, such as kerosene, in the binder, so the bitumen is less viscous and flows more easily into the base course voids. The downside of this is that the binder is not as strong as it would be otherwise, so a first coat seal will need a second coat applied within 1 or 2 years. If a two coat seal is used, the second coat is applied immediately. The specification setting out the requirements for the first coat sealing process is TNZ P3 specification for first coat sealing. A copy of this specification is on Moodle. A reseal is applied over an existing seal. The first reseal is called the second coat seal. It may be laid immediately after the first coat, in which case the operation is called a two-coat seal, or it may be laid later. However, the first coat seal usually needs a second coat within 1 to 2 years due to the bitumen in the first coat having to be less viscous to penetrate and bond with the base course and hence being less strong. Reseals normally use a more viscous bitumen with less cutback than the first coat seal. This means that it doesn't flow as well, but it is stronger. More viscous means it is stiffer and stronger than the first coat seal. This can be done because the reseal does not need to soak into the base course as the first coat seal does. The binder in the reseal will bond very strongly with the binder from the old seal, providing existing road surface has been properly cleaned of dust. This means that reseals usually have to be done every 8 to 15 years. This may involve just laying the new reseal over the old one or grinding off the surface before laying a new surface. Reseals may be chip seal or asphaltic concrete. For chip seals, the chip is usually smaller grades of chip that can lock into the gaps between the existing chip and provide a stronger connection between the two seal layers. The smaller chip provides a finer macro texture for the road and hence less rolling resistance and less noise. Any type of asphaltic concrete can be used for reseals.